Finding reciprocals and dividing real numbers. So, this comes into play especially when we're dividing fractions. Division or quotients, synonymous, they follow the same rules in terms of sign as multiplication. So, if I have two numbers and I'm dividing, if they have the same sign, you're looking at a positive result. And if they have a different sign, you're looking at a negative result. So for example, negative 16 divided by 4, different signs. 16 divided by 4 is 4. You can make 4 groups of 4 out of 16. And since you have a negative divided by positive or different signs, you get a negative result. Another example, 6 divided by negative 2, different sign. You can make 3 groups of 2 out of 6, and different signs means we have a negative result. Lastly, what if I have negative 1/3 divided by negative 2/5? So here's where this other part of this is going to come into play. So first off, a reciprocal means a flip, kind of. So for example, 1/4 reciprocal is 4/1. 2/3 reciprocal is 3/2. 1/5 reciprocal is 5/1. This happens even if we have a negative 3/8 reciprocal is negative 8/3. So you take whatever the fraction is and you flip it. So when dividing fractions, we actually, instead of dividing, we end up multiplying by the reciprocal of the bottom fraction. A way I remember this is keep, change, flip. So how this comes, you keep the top fraction the same, you change the sign from a divide to a times, and you flip or get the reciprocal of the bottom fraction. Sign stays the same, the only thing that flips is the numbers. So then multiplying fractions, we get -1 times -5, which same sign, positive. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. This can't be reduced, so that would be our final answer. Lastly, if we have, let's do one more example with fractions. 2/5 divided by 6/7, negative. So keep, change, flip. Keep the top, 2/5, change the sign to a times, flip the bottom, -7/6. Positive 2 times -7 is -14. 5 times 6 is 30. And -14/30 can both be reduced by 2 to -7/15.